video. Um, Getting started with the room number 8 and 8 and final part. Okay. On 5, 4, 3. Hey everybody, welcome back. All right, now let's get a screen drawn on this old TV and finish up. How's that? So let's see. Click on the orthogonal that shows where the bottom of the TV screen will be. I think that's that one. Click it. Whoa! It's either a smashed picture tube or it's a moose. Ah, it's a moose. Yes. MTV, Moose TV, all moose all the time. When the part of the orthogonal that is not part of the TV is erased, we have a line that shows the bottom of the TV screen. You see the bottom of the TV screen when we erase that? If you wanted to draw a VCR, you could make a smaller box on top of the TV, couldn't you? Just follow those vanishing lines. All right. It says here to click the TV screen. All right, I can click the TV screen. Whoa. It looks like we're going to make a bed. Look at this. Drawing a bed in one-point perspective. Of course, we got the window over here we got to remember. The animation on the right shows how to draw a bed in one-point perspective. To see a step-by-step explanation, click on the bed. You may also click on the next hyperlink. I'll click the bed. And there we go with our first step. Just like we did on the other side, the red lines show the height and width of the bed. The vertical line shows the side of the bed against the wall. The horizontal line shows the bottom of the bed on the floor. The bed would be higher if the vertical line were higher. The bed would be wider if the horizontal line extended further out into the room. So go ahead and draw that. And it says here for me to click on the horizontal red line. And I did. Okay, now if you look over here, you'll see that there's that side, or the end of the bed. We call it the side of the bed. That's not against the wall. Okay. We now have a rectangle, and what we have to do now is simply draw the vanishing lines, the orthogonals, right? And we do so. There goes your orthogonals, right? And I'll click this one on. Right, and now what are we doing? The vertical red line is between the orthogonals. Shows where the side of the bed ends. You see, that's where we're going to end that bed right there. And we can end it any place, but we're going to end it there. If you wanted the bed to be shorter, you'd move it this way. Longer, you'd move it through the wall, I guess. The bed could not be any longer because it's already up against the wall. All right, so click the vertical red line. So get that done. Then this, which you've done already. You've been through this. The horizontal red line shows where the top of the bed ends. Click on the horizontal red line and shows where the top of the bed ends. I can do that for you right now. There it is. There's your couch or your bed. When the orthogonals that are not part of the bed are erased, the bed is complete. Now you can add blankets and pillows. You may want to try to make a bunk bed by adding a second bed over the first. Click on the bed. Oh, and now we got a table. All right. See how the table gets put together? Think you can do it? All right, well, give it a try. The animation on the right shows how to draw a table by point by point. Click on the table and let's see. So we make one point nearest to you. Is that right? Then what? You draw the vanishing point. All right. Then what? The point farthest from you. There it is. All right. Then throw a couple verticals in for legs. The vertical lines on the ends of the table. Nearer the viewer are the start of the legs of the table. The longer the vertical lines, the higher the table. Next. And next. And next. And next. And we're almost out of time, but click on the orthogonal that shows where the inside of the table leg touches the ground. That's that one.